Foam printmaking. Materials: styrofoam plate, copy paper, pencil, markers, scissors to use with a grown-up's help. Optional materials: paint. To start, cut a styrofoam plate into a small rectangle. It is important to make sure the rectangle is small because the markers used to cover the foam dry quickly. Trace the foam rectangle onto a piece of paper. Draw your design within the small rectangle on the paper. Place the foam rectangle underneath your drawing. Trace your drawing with a pencil to leave an imprint on the foam below. You might need to go over the imprint on the foam with your pencil. Make sure not to press too hard and punch through the foam. Fold or cut a piece of paper into a horizontal folded card. Quickly rub a marker across the foam and then press it firmly onto the front of the card. Now your print is on the front of the card. You can repeat the process and make as many prints as you want. If you have paint, you can use that as an alternative to using the markers. Use a scrap piece of paper to clean off the foam and rub a different marker color onto the foam. You can also cover a piece of paper with different prints of your design. The possibilities of what you can create are endless. Now you have tried foam printmaking. Thanks for watching. Follow us on social media, #Appleton Museum at Home.